Okay, another quick update. The got everything out. Got to take the steering wheel still. Oh yeah, the wiper. I got to figure out how to take that out. I think I already said that in the other video. But and then the brake and the gas pedal. But that's about it. That's about it. Yeah. Oh yeah, the emergency cable. Gotta figure out how to get that off. I guess I can't. Anyway, I'll look downstairs and see. Oh yeah, and then I have to take the windshield wipers out, the motor and everything. Yeah, so it's not too much more. After that, it's really only the engine, well, and then the drivetrain, basically. The drivetrain has to come out. Yeah. Oh boy. And I'll see. I gotta find out if I'm gonna dip it or not. Quite a mess. Gotta still take the doors apart. Take the latches off and everything. There's one door there, and the other door is sitting on the other side. Same plate, like same area, but on the other side. Yeah. So, lots of fun. Okay. Anyway.